Hello all, it's Sharon. I'm back with another video. So Nate has been requesting a mining dig kit where he can mine for his own rocks and like fossils. If you have any type of social media, you've probably seen a really popular mining company on the internet that sells buckets with sand and different cool rocks you could buy, but they could be quite expensive. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can maybe make your own version at home. Most of the stuff I got on Temu, and then I have some stuff from Dollarama and Amazon. I'll start down here. So the little hearts here came in a set from Temu. And then we have these rocks and fossils here that I actually collected for Nate. This one's really cool here. So yeah, those are some fun items that I'm going to bury in the sand. We have these here from Temu. And we have this package here with all different types of super tiny little rocks. And then this bag here, my mom actually bought for Nate at a craft show. So yeah, some really cool rocks and stones. I'll just show you what the sand is. So the sand I'm going to be using is this one here. This is aquarium sand. You get 5 pounds for $10 on Amazon. So I'll be using that sand. And then from Dollarama, I got this container of this larger kind of sand, and this is 800 grams or 28 ounces, and this was $2 at Dollarama. So I'll be mixing those two types of sand together with these rocks in this next thing I'm going to show you. These are Rubbermaid containers. You get 2 in a pack. I believe these were $3 for the 2. Here is some care information if you want to pause and read any of it. But there is 2 with the red lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the sand into these containers. And then the other one I'm going to leave empty. That way he can put all his fun finds inside the other container and have a place to store them. And I kind of want this to be kind of mess free as you know, as possible it can be. So what I did is on Temu, I also got Nate one of these gold pans. Now he is interested in taking this down to the river to see if he can find any gold. We might do that as well. But it comes with a little sifter as well. So I figured he can shake the sand into here. All the rocks will stay here, and then hopefully the sand will fall into the bottom. So I'm going to start putting things together. I'll show you what that looks like. So to fill up this container, I did use the whole jar from Dollarama, and I used probably a little bit more than half of this bag from Amazon. What I'm going to do is put the lid on this and give it a good shake. That way the two types of sands can mix together. So I kind of shook it up. So now what I'm going to do is pour it into this other container right now. And as I pour it into here, I'm going to be mixing in those rocks and fossils. So that way it's all layered throughout the sand. And then I'm going to shake it up again at the end. So all the rocks and sand are mixed together now. So what he'll do is, I'm going to do this one-handedly, but say he was pouring this in, he would pour it into here. And then as he shakes out the sand, he finds some cool rocks. So yeah, I hope I gave you an idea if you want to put together your own do-it-yourself mining dig kit. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care, and bye for now.